Where'd your cucumber go? Can you get it? Okay, where did it go? Show me your cucumber. There it is. That's right. Oh, yum, cucumber. Those cheeks. We want to eat a blueberry with your cucumber, chicken meatball, white rice. What's in your mouth? Can you go, ah? Is that a truck outside? Oh, you want me to have a bite? I don't want any. You enjoy it. Oh, is it that good? Take a bite of that cucumber for me. Thirsty? Okay, I'm turning this off. What happened? Oh.